Okay, is it working? Are you hear me? Come on, what's going on today? Yeah, we'll start talking, but I can't open that YouTube. Man, sick. It's sick. Go to the breakout. What we talk about, so see you at weekly high probably. Is that the fake out or we'll see. Yesterday we were talking about some pullback and continuation to the upside. Gold just return to the 50% FIP, do another breakout structure, 0.578 is here, and now we are waiting to close of the 1 hour candle above the trend line channel. 15 minutes also good, and because that trend line holding 15 minutes here, 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 and now where we'll close that 15 minutes. I got the problem with connection, so I can't prepare myself as I want to. Look at this. It's just don't want to work with me today. Okay. Can we open that live? Some things are against me. Oh. Man. Are you kidding me? Gold is gone. I can't find that that live. Why I can't open it from Financial Juice? Okay, they have lags also. Nothing is real today. And gold just want to send a middle finger for now. There is two zones to hold that gold, this one and lower one. We'll see, but will be nice if I hear what Kevin Walsh speaks, so I can position myself for bear or bull side. But now it's like a middle finger to me. Exactly what I posted in charts. What are you post in charts on Discord? Oh yeah, that was good entry. But gold don't want to work. I'm waiting for that lower zone and preparing for enter. But I don't know what he's talking about. It's very frustrating, to be honest. Oh yeah, he come live.
Among the other yet unknowns is the market structure. Who gets to make the money? It's not obvious where the returns on capital will land, or on what time scale. Early on, how much of the surplus goes to owners of scarce assets? The AI labs, or chip makers, or energy producers, or cloud providers? Over time, how much of that value accrues to businesses, consumers? And importantly, what are the implications for workers and for the employment side of the Fed's mandate? Likewise, we don't yet know the equilibrium price of the tokens that give access to these models. Might there be a heterogeneity of tokens, such that growing sums will be paid?
Man, my MT5 lagging so hard.
Those at the frontier. Will token prices for older models fall to the level of their marginal cost? Well, we'll be thinking through these matters with the help of a task force on productivity and jobs. My early check-ins with the leaders of that task force and the rest have been very encouraging. To be clear, though, their recommendations will come later and have no bearing on decisions we make in the current policy conjunction. But I believe that for future policy challenges, this intellectual investment today will leave us much better prepared for tomorrow. Next, let me say a word about forward guidance and its substitutes. As our task forces go about their work, as you might know, I'm not waiting to introduce innovations at the Fed to help make us fit for purpose. To highlight one example, I've set out to change the form and function of the Fed chairman's so-called forward guidance. You might know about my long-time discomfort with early pronouncements of future policy decisions. I much prefer another path, and now we'll make the case for it. Transparency in communications about future policy decisions is not an end unto itself. Communications must be in service to the Fed's paramount responsibility. What is that? It's getting policy right. Forward guidance as a regular practice was adopted by my colleagues and me during the global financial crisis. It was essential at the time, and we introduced it with much fanfare. But as with other legacies of crises past, I believe the practice...
Silver can reject to the upside.
In normal times, the role of forward guidance should be limited and circumscribed. Otherwise, it risks creating ambiguity in the name of clarity. Oversharing policy deliberations, overcommitting to future future decisions can lead markets, businesses,
Gold almost tapped that zone.
households astray. And I believe when policymakers make quasi-commitments on interest rates throughout the cycle,
Almost.
we
And maybe
inhibit
gone,
freedom
or print
to
the
make
break of
calls
structure,
when
some
it's time to
pullback,
sell. To get
then
policy right,
BOS
we also have to
line,
get the
and
relationship
go
right
above.
between the central bank and financial markets.
We will see
The Fed needs clear
if it
market
goes
signals
with half pullback.
as unfiltered as possible.
It's okay, or maybe the zone didn't hold
The
anything
level,
and
change in asset
GG's.
prices across
But
sectors,
I'm still pretty bullish until
prices
that
of trading
zone is
volumes of
holding the
treasury
market.
securities, foreign exchange.
So yeah, I don't need you anymore. I just want to hear what he's talking about at the beginning. Why gold do that explosive move. Now it's a bit irrelevant, to be honest. And BOS line. Okay, futures are 10 minutes behind. Okay. I look at the futures and I was confused why they are so high when CFDs are just dumping, but the chart is 10 minutes delayed. Until that 61 to 78 hold the structure, I'm pretty still bullish. If they cross that structure, we can switch for the daily. There is EMA 20 following the candles, and daily range with liquidity inside 61.78. So we will see. But yeah, market surprised me a bit. I was in bull side, and I think we can just fly from where it's at now. They just sweep the trend line from upside, sweep the channel, and fall down into lower zone. So I will watch that lower zone and we'll see what it brings. Otherwise, if that 4-hour zone didn't hold, maybe they are going for weekly. Weekly perspective, lower high, but this is not my base bias. I wanting to see upside still until 4-hour range is holding. I want to see upside, but it's going hard, really hard. And gold, pretty sure consolidating. Just look, silver escape the range to the upside, do the breakout. That was great setup for retest and go again, but gold just still ranging inside the channel. So confusing a bit, confusing. We tapped the zone. BOS is still here on 1 minute. So we'll see. If we go deeper into the zone, there is that trend line and the channel, bottom of the channel line is here. This is that white line, and there is a top of the zone, so we will see. But it's not looking super good for now. I want to see a break of structure. Playing buys now is a bit hard. It's dangerous. I not recommend to play the zone. It's better to wait for the break of structure for sure, because gold just falling down so hard. So okay, we got the information. Short-term interest rate futures fall as traders had to bet on Fed, right? Traders. Depends on pricing in rates. Okay, okay. So this is 50-50 now, they change it here. Yeah, 58%. It's going down, that's why gold dropping. To be honest, I was hoping for the keep the rates on the same level on his speech, but he's sending not clear information about it. That's why it's drop, not drop below. The percentage for keep the rates on the same level are still higher than hike the rates, but they are very close now. Higher numbers here, good for gold. Higher numbers here, bad for gold. I mean, bearish gold, bullish gold. Depends which one is stronger. Okay, give me that POS and let it write. No bottom wick on that 15-minute candle. Interesting. Now the volume from this candle is also very important. If we print a break of structure with similar volume or higher one, maybe they can do the reversal. We tapped the 61 pips from our 4-hour bullish range. That expansion move for our bullish range 61, so we will see. EMA 20, maybe one more push to the downside and up. Let's see. It's just a patient game now, and it's also good to know when to do not trading. Sometimes we need to avoid open any position, and I hope it's not today.
Today, as we sit here, I'm impressed by the overall performance of the economy, which appears to have strengthened. One indicator of strength is how well an economy holds up under stress, how well it holds up under shocks. On that score, both Main Street and Wall Street have been remarkably resilient. Several other observations. Business CapEx is rising rapidly. The 4-quarter change in investment in equipment and intangibles has been around 9%. Its highest
Silver,
growth rate
same
since
break of structure.
2021. And more than half of the CapEx growth can likely be ascribed to the build-out related to AI. What about profits? For the firms in the S&P, profits have grown more than 20% over the past year alone. Profit margins are quite elevated relative to history. Overall equity and market volatility quite low. We're staying keenly focused on market internals, watching performance across sectors. Expectations for both growth in CapEx and corporate earnings are running quite high. We continue to watch the change in the growth rates, second derivative, follow-on effects on asset prices, business confidence, consumer incomes and spending are equally important to gauge.
Okay, alerts are set
Credit
and we
spreads on
are
corporate
waiting.
bonds and leveraged loans are near the low end of their historical averages. In issue volumes this year,
Yeah, don't need to hear him
beyond fixed
anymore.
income markets to the banking.
Let's watch the technical now. Technicals are more important at that moment, I guess. Okay, Bitcoin. 2 seconds to close. Bitcoin entry. Or just now. For attack the weekly high. Bitcoin also tapped 78 fips. Oh, there is a lot of mass. Higher high on 4 hour. Fips. And Bitcoin tap 78. So we'll see now. Pullback and go, or sweep the low, reaccumulate and go. Oh man, gold is tough today. It can be GG for gold today. Gold buys. Gold buys can be GG today. And it will be interesting to position for upcoming week. Information from just now. Traders price in about 50% chance of a Fed rate hike in September. Let's check if something happened here. It's going down more. That was 58. Now it's 56. It's not good for gold. Kevin, why you do it to us? What's going on here? Man. Hike release before Grand Theft Auto. Bitcoin. Oh man, I think it's don't want to give us entry. That candle is fat. Yeah, it can be GG. BOS is here now. Gold tapped the bottom of the channel. You see, If we break it to the downside, that will be not good. But still, we have 78 fips. So, is that channel can really hold? Channel plus our zone for 4-hour range. We will see. This is the last point, to be honest, for me for today. So we'll see. There is a break of structure now on gold. Engulfing candle, engulfing volume on 2 minutes chart. After tap the fips and bottom of the channel. So if we use the entry model, the second entry model from engulfing candles, the entry should be just now. I mean after that candle, and the classic one will be if we close above that line. Gold looks like GG. Fat like my ex. Gold for now, it's it's holding here for now, and that zone is still holding, so it's not GG for now. For me, GG will be if we break it down and push lower. That will be GG for me. But for now, it's not like a GG. Bitcoin also is fighting. You see, Bitcoin also fighting after the pullback and run. It's not yet, but looks like it. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I will say it's not looking super good for now, but we got the information. There is the information. Gold deep into the zone. Tap the bottom of the channel. That channel from Monday. Exactly. Bounce after tap. Look, that was pretty perfect. Look. Perfect tap and bounce. And now they are trying to do the break of structure, so we will see. It's not looking bad. And Bitcoin already do the break of structure and pushing to the upside, so gold can follow it. And what is Silva doing? Silva also printing the break of structure. 4 seconds to close that candle. We need to close above it. Yeah, Silva is entry. Gold didn't. Gold, one more candle. Gold didn't do the break of structure. That candle closed below. But silver is entry opportunity. So longs on silver from here. TP around $80 for swing, or wait for pullback and go. Uh, 400 pips from there, so it's okay. Yeah, if someone just opened trade here, yeah, that was nice. But I need to see a confirmation for continue upside, and then I will join, because I was not confident to just open a trade here like a pending order. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches. That was sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches on downside, and create a weak rejection. 24 minutes to close of that 1 hour. Bitcoin looking nice. It's still running. Look, Bitcoin is still running. Oh. Gold, break of structure here. Silver running. And now pray to the gods it stick for the rest of the day and upcoming week, and we are cool. Working? I don't know why why that stream is lagging so hard today. It happens. But yeah, gold, small pullback and run. Yeah, we hit the 75, so we'll see. Previous support, you know. But that was literally perfect. And Bitcoin is printing 1 hour break of structure. I have it open on my MT5 and look at Bitcoin. Let's hope Bitcoin is a leader and gold plus silver follow the Bitcoin. Of course, that was just an example TP. My TP is here, and I'm playing it like that. So that's going to be another position. That was the stop loss, yeah. But 1, 2, and 3 positions on Bitcoin. Every of them sniping for 82.5k. Maybe again pull back and go. What happens if we draw fibs? Yeah. Can be like that. And gold break it? Gold didn't break it. I would like silver more than gold last time. It's easier and cleaner moves. Gold entry were here, stop below, or another opportunity can be here with 1 minute break of structure inside that box. We'll see. Our stream is lagging today, I guess. Oh, Bitcoin print what I want to see. That fat candle to the downside, rejected one with break of structure and engulfing volume. Bitcoin printed what I want to see on gold and silver also. But gold and silver didn't print that that volume. But they print a better candle to the downside without bottom wick. Same. Same on the FXCM data feed. He's still talking? Not. 80 seconds ago. Let's check what he's talking about. Let's check the percentage change after the speech. Oh no, it's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. I will worry about that zone and gold bullish. It can just go lower, and GG for bullish gold. That data changed everything for me. We have a new data, so Kevin Walsh don't want to support Scott Bessent with pushing dollar lower. He play against him, so yeah, it's not looking good for gold. Yeah, traders now see a September Fed rate hike more likely than a continued hold. Oh, he's surprised the market with his narrative. Before the speech, we got the 67% here or 66. Now it's just a flip. GG Kevin, I don't like you anymore. Yeah, yesterday we got 64% for keep the rates on the same level. After his speech, his today's speech, it's just a 44% and more percentage for hike the rates. So it can be surprise for the market. Surprise for me, for sure. But it is what it is. Anyway, if 1 minute candle print the break of structure, that's going to be another opportunity. If that zone didn't hold, I will leave it for today because it's Friday evening and we have a mess a bit on the chart, so I'm not forced to trade anything. Maybe break of structure here, maybe not. Until that little zone is holding, I can see buys after break of structure. If that zone didn't hold, GG, and yeah, no trade for me. I will avoid the market for the rest of the day. Okay, we will watch it for the next 5 minutes. We will watch it for next 5 minutes, and yeah, that's gonna be it for today because it's more likely to avoid trading for today. Market gets surprised with changing of that rates target. For now it's just a 44%. It's dropped 20% since tomorrow, since 1 hour ago. It dropped 20%. So Yeah. Gold probably still dropping till end of the day, but we'll see. We'll see if that small zone didn't hold it. GG for me. Break of structure is here now. That's last try. Stop here or stop here, depends on the risk. Lower risk position and higher risk position. We'll see which one play out. Now I really want to target the weekly high, but for me now it's just a question mark, so I don't know. I don't know. Oh. A 2 minutes looks good. We print lower low with lower volume, then we print engulfing candle with engulfing volume. After the pullback we also print engulfing candle with engulfing volume, so we'll see. It can push to the upside, but I don't like that data, man. If it's it confused me, because with 20% less here now since 1 hour ago, I'm not super confident with gold buys. Technical chart telling me buys. Our zone hold. The bottom of the channel hold. But I don't like the change here. It's temporary, or maybe they just you know that Fed chairs likes to talk about rate hikes, but besides that words they are very dovish. So I didn't listening his speech, but maybe that was the manipulation. People are scared now, and they just decrease the percentage for keep the rates on the same level. I don't know, but that data confused me. In facts, I can see 44% here. I'm also see the gold technical chart bullish, you know, for buys, and it's sick. We tap the bottom of the channel, volume goes down, engulfing candle, engulfing volume, engulfing candle, engulfing volume after the retracement, break of structure here. Fib zone range for 4 hour that we're waiting for. They confuse me. Only the data confuse me. And it's lagging at all. Yeah, Bitcoin looking good. Man, if that percent keep on that low level and gold plus Bitcoin and silver still pushing to the upside, that was just a fake out manipulation talk to the people. Look, silver is still plus 1%. $70. Better to stay away is we don't have anything we like. I mean, I like price action. I like that technicals. I only don't like the percentage change on Fed Watch. Because look here. We have a channel to the downside. We tap the bottom of the channel, plus we tap 61 to 78 Fib level for the bullish 4 hour range. 61.78, the bottom of the channel. We tap it. We print BOS to the upside. We print the confirmation that can be the reaccumulation with volume going down with that lower low, engulfing candle, engulfing volume, break of structure, pullback, engulfing volume, engulfing candle, and push up higher. So from the technical side, it's look clean, but Fed Watch target for rates is just mess me a bit. Confusing information. So technicals, I love it. feedback from FedWatch confuse me, because I don't know if people get his speech as a hawkish narrative and that was just a manipulation, or he is really hawkish. Maybe they want to clear out some retails, because look, the technical chart is still holding. That's sick. Give me a few minutes. I will back in 3 minutes. I will leave you with gold. Is that stream working? Yeah, it's working. I'm back here. Gold is trying to push in. Silver pull back. And Bitcoin. Oh, it's lagging. Bitcoin swept that lower high on 30-minute chart. 15-minute chart, lower high. They swap it. Okay, we'll see. Maybe pullback and continuation. Bitcoin is good to watch because it's open for the whole week. And now we also have that gold 24 hours. It's also good to follow it during the weekend. I recover my losses. I'm break even at that point. Nice. Where you enter and which asset? Gold. Okay. Uh, 52. Yeah, here. That was good. It's also that engulfing candle on 2 minutes, 52. Engulfing volume. Close at 75. Nice. EMA is 20, trying to reject 5-minute chart. We're waiting 10 more minutes here, and 20 minutes after 5 p.m. I will finish the stream, so we will see where gold will be, silver and Bitcoin, and we see again at Sunday, but there will be a time to say goodbye, so let's watch it for now. Any changes here? Ah, 0.1% down. Financial juice. Will Trump comment that Jackson Hole? I don't know. But he's probably mad a bit because Donald Trump and Scott Bessent want to drag dollar lower, but Kevin Walsh says, no, I will hike the rates, I don't want to help you, I will drag dollar higher. There can be a conflict of interest, business conflict. 5 minutes break of structure here. But EMA 20 supported the candles, so 20 EMA is blue for you? Yes. Blue is a 20 EMA for me. It's here. It's blue, 20 EMA, and red one is 50. It's not good. I see you later. Goodbye, brother. Okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day. And we see at Sunday, right? So yeah, 2 more minutes and I'm also you say goodbye, that's when you leave. Yeah, stream is lagging, so that's gonna be it from myself for today. Take care. Maybe just going down, depends on that data. It's not looking good at all from the Fed, watch feedback. It was looking good from the technical side. We bounce out of the bottom of the channel, but it's not looking good for now, that fat red candle. So take care, manage your position, don't force anything if you don't like it, and we see again at Sunday. Thank you for being here with me. Have a nice weekend and bye bye.